Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you meet prerequisites, updated game version, and the tension compressor blueprint or unlock. You'll open the crafting terminal and inspect required components so you know what's missing. Next, gather base materials immediately. Don't wander, because shortages stall progress. Once you have parts, move to the workbench and select the tension compressor recipe. This initiates the crafting workflow and reveals any advanced components you'll need next. Now you assemble the core components step by step, following the recipe order to prevent component loss. First slot the compressor core, then attach pressure plates to stabilize output. After that, add circuitry and the power cell so the device can regulate energy flow. Make sure to tighten reinforced casing last to align connectors. This prevents misalignment errors. Once assembled, run a brief power test at low output. This verifies the compressor logic and prevents failures during the final activation. To finish, power up the tension compressor using the full activation sequence and watch output readouts carefully as you increase pressure. This ensures systems stabilize correctly. If readings remain steady, save the configuration and stow any spare parts. If you encounter instability, slow down and lower pressure, then inspect electrical connectors and the compressor core for damage, because most issues stem from loose connections or worn components. If that doesn't fix it, swap the suspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.